that I've been playing for past nearly 25-30 years.
We started off as straight bowlers since there were no coaches to help us, nothing. So we took the plastic balls which are available in the bowling centers, and we had the bowling center shoes which were not actually right for professional bowling. That's how we started bowling.
The time I started playing, it was just winning nationals and staying into India, not doing much.
Once we had coaches coming in to help us over here, we started getting in ball which will suit our span.
When we started the career, the averages of a player would be about 160 to 175, would be in the top 8. And today, 10 years down the lane, an average of 224 games is no less.
When we compare to the first Asian Games where the team went, the performance and environment was different.
Comparing other countries and all, we were so behind a few years back. But now we are there in the picture today in 10-pin bowling all over the world.
After proper training, I think the team is doing very well.
I've been to a lot of international events, and I represent India in Asian Bowling Championship in Abu Dhabi and then in Hong Kong. Then I played Asian Indoor Games in Korea this year, and Malaysian Open, Singapore Open, Hong Kong Open.
The great thing happened was when we had Mr. Kannan and Mr. Karthi, who took over the federation in 2008. From there on, our journey started.
The present federation, which has been under Mr. Karthi Chidambaram for last 8 years, I think has done a tremendous job with regard to promoting the sport, not only in India but overseas. We've had some of the finest bowlers play in various international opens. Some of them have gone on to play in the Masters. Our World Cup performance in the last few years has been really good.
The journey was so incredible that past 6 years, I've picked up 7 trophies, international. And I won 2 nationals as well. Anuradha, she picked up her trophy in Hong Kong. So internationally, we have done so well. So we are so proud to be associated with the current federation, which is doing so well.
Prior to Mr. Karthi took over as the president, most of the trips or most of the championship, the team had been sent on no-cost basis to the federation. So the first thing what Mr. Karthi did when he took over was to say that no player will go at his own cost. We will ensure that if we are sending a team, the federation funds the operations.
Today we get free coaching, we get free equipment, we travel overseas, we learn so much.
When I took over as president of the TBFI, the stated goal was to produce a medal-winning team for the 2014 Asian Games, which is going to be held in Incheon, Korea. Our goal and focus is always on Asian Games, Commonwealth Championships and the World Championships.
Keeping that in mind, we decided to pick or scout for talent across India, preferably youngsters, so that they don't have any other commitments.
I always believe that in order to produce players, one must constantly train, travel and play tournaments. So what we did was we formed an elite squad of players who have the potential to represent India in the Asian Games, and pretty much made them full-time train, travel and play tournaments. Towards this endeavor, we funded them through private sponsorship and also through the grants given to us by the Ministry of Sports, the Government of India.
We didn't even have a coach, so we had tied up with the Malaysian 10-pin bowling congress. We were able to send our team to Malaysia for initial training. Some of our bowlers were quite raw, and they were personally groomed by the head coach of Malaysian national team, Mr. Halawe Chia, and ably assisted by Mr. Alan Chia, who later went on to become the national coach of India.
I've been staying here for 4 years to prepare this team for this coming Asian Games. The thing that I work in is technically on all sorts of bowling patterns and equipments for this team.
I've been bowling since I can remember, and it was in 2008 when Mr. Kannan saw the potential in me and he invited me to join the camp, and it's been 5 years now that I've been part of the national team.
In 2008, I was selected as the second reserve for the Worldman Championship. In 2009, we have been called for the elite camp.
We work very hard from morning to night We have a bowling session, we have gym session, we have yoga classes.
As an athlete, we need to be really fit because there are days that we have to play around 20 games, which really can take a toll on your body. So apart from our training, we have our gym schedule, which goes on for from 2 to 3 hours, where we work on our stamina and our fitness. And apart from that, we have a session of yoga every day, which helps us to work on our mental focus, and it helps us to shine through in situations where we are under pressure.
Our main goal is to win one medal where we can showcase the ministry that this is a sport where you can also get medals into the Asian Games tally for our country.
Most of them are making a lot of personal sacrifices in order to play this sport full time. We fully understand and appreciate that. The Federation does as much as it can to support all these players.
I'm very happy with whatever the Federation is doing for us. In fact, they're doing something which no other federation would do for the players to achieve success.
My goal in bowling is basically to become a quality player.
Ultimate goal is 2014 Asian Games, and we've been working really hard since 2009 as a team.
My goal is to win the first ever Asian Games medal by bowling ever, because this feat hasn't been achieved till now, and I want to be a part of the Indian team who was part to bring home the first medal at the Asian Games.
Nothing is bigger than for me bearing the Indian flag and Indian name, and I want to glorify the name in the international level.
2011, during Feb, we played the Commonwealth Championship, and we had won bronze medal in the mixed team of 4 with Pratima, Swapna, Akash and myself. It was a great encouragement for all of us.
For us as a country, we have Commonwealth as one of the prestigious event. Hamid had won us gold in 2002. After that, there had been a lull for close to 10 years till we, a team of 4, won bronze medal in Commonwealth Games in Malaysia. It was a consistent team effort. It was a very difficult event too, because we were competing with some of the best teams among the Commonwealth countries. So it was quite an achievement.
There are 2 things which always pushes me to achieve things in bowling, and the first thing is that the confidence of my senior members, that is like my coach and our president and general secretary and all, who always had the faith in me that I can achieve things and I can go ahead in bowling. So that was one thing which always pushed me, that yes, I have that in me so that I can achieve. The second thing for me, for my success basically, is that I've always kept myself calm, never panicked in situations where I trembled or something, and kept myself calm, which I've learned over the course of years.
I can relive that last day, the day when we won the medal, with a lot of joy. We weren't expected to do anything great. I think all the Federation expected out of us was to give our best on that final day as a team. You know, for every strike that we did, we were all cheering each other up, and without getting tense, we supported each other for all their mistakes. So it was brilliant. And then we knew we were getting close. We didn't know how close, but we had the backing of the entire the Federation and our teammates behind us, and we just gave it our best. It happened with Shabir's final frame, which decided everything for us, and we heard the big cheer behind us, and I think that just let go of a lot of good emotions, that we'd finally done something on the world stage. And that feeling is something that's very difficult to replicate again. So it was a big culmination. It was that day was great fun.
We can compete very well at the Commonwealth level. There's no issues on that. At the Asian level, the highest position we have reached is 8th in team of 5 event at the Asian Bowling Championship. What is quite heartening is to note that our bowlers missed about 32 odd spares, and the difference in pinfall between the bronze medalist and our team, which finished overall 8th, was just about 150 odd pins. So had they converted the spares, we were in with a chance for a medal at the Asian level. So we are in the race, and I guess our bowlers can give run for money to anybody at the Asian level.
Karnataka State 10-pin team won the best award among all the sports conducted by Sports Writer Association of Bangalore, which was conducted in the year of 2013. And I'm really glad that such a sport was recognized and made sure it outclassed all other sports in major sports category. And I'm really thankful for the Federation and the SWAP team for recognizing such a sport and giving us a good platform to showcase the team.
It's not easy to find sponsorship for any sport in India other than cricket. And bowling, being a fledgling sport, has its usual crop of problems. But there are benevolent people who support this sport, and I'm sure in the years to come we'll only build from strength to strength, and we will have medal winners from India.
Here I have to mention that the support of the families for the players has been really fantastic. Some of them have given up their education, they've given up maybe jobs, flourishing businesses, and they come and be part of this mission 2014.
For the past 14 years, I'm here today just because of my husband. He's always behind me for every game, even for a practice game, he's always behind me. I'm very thankful to him.
From bottom of my heart, I want to thank first my mom, Kanan sir, coach, and my best friend.
First and foremost, my dad. Anything which I've done in my life, he's always been supportive of it, and I'm glad that I have made him proud.
Very proud that my younger brother is representing the country. He's been working really hard for the past 5 years. He's been staying away from home almost 10 months a year, and he's doing everything that is required to excel in this sport.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मेरा आकाश इस गेम में बहुत अच्छा खेल रहा है. वो इस गेम के लिए अब उस जी जान से प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है, और हम सोचते हैं कि वो ऐसे ही अच्छा से अच्छा खेलता रहे, और अभी नेक्स्ट ईयर जो एशियन गेम्स है उसके लिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है.
When Kanan sir had asked Dhruv to join the elite squad and train to become part of the national team, be able to represent India, that was a big step. Given a platform like this to Dhruv at an age where he did have the option, where he could put career at a standstill for a little bit, was a big decision, but we all supported him.
बहुत प्राउड है मुझे, मेरा बेटा खेल रहा है और अभी इंडिया के लिए बहुत खुशी है, और आगे और जाए उसकी मैं दुआ करती हूँ उसके लिए.
Not everybody gets a chance to wear the flag, Indian flag, along with their jerseys, what they wear. So yeah, that way, very proud of Shabbir and his hard work, his dedication towards bowling especially.
मैं उसको विश कर रही हूँ कि तेरा अच्छा से अच्छा गेम खेल, और मैं पूरे साथ में तुम्हारे साथ में सपोर्ट कर रही हूँ.
Seeing what he's done today, of course we are all very proud that he made the decision and he got into it. He's represented India in so many countries, entirely thanks to the elite squad, Karthi sir, Kanan sir.
We just wish the Indian team the best, and we definitely deserve a few medals coming this Asian Championship, and we really wish you all the best.
हम उसके लिए प्रे करते हैं, इस फाइनल में सक्सेस हो, इसी में प्रे करते हैं.
I would like to see more medals for the nation from the team in the coming Asian Games, and I would like to support the whole team and Akash much more than what I did earlier.
I'm sure the way the team is training, the facilities provided by the federation, the support from the parents, the team management and everything, I'm sure we will do very well at the Asian Games 2014. I'm sure to get a medal for the country.
Definitely the elite team, we wish them all the best, all the success.
We are putting up our heart and soul to prepare this team for this coming Asian Games. I believe this 10-pin bowling Indian team will rock in Asian Championships.
We will win the medal at the Asian Games.
We will win a medal in Asian Games.
We will win a medal at the Asian Games.
I'm sure LA team going to win a medal in Asian Games.
Asian Games, Team India is coming to win a medal.
Thank you.